Hello everybody, welcome to Neighborhood Mechanic. We got here 2017 Kia Sorento. I'm going to show you how to replace a radiator. If you have a radiator leaking, you can clearly identify that by looking at the fins. The customer had previously worked on it themselves with their buddy. You can see we got a screw here, missing clip, missing clip, missing clip. We got a clip here and it's not installed all the way. We got a screw here, we're going to take this off, 10 millimeter. We're also going to need to disconnect the air duct. For this, it's very simple. Take a pin, push it down, and then pop it up like that. That's how you remove these clips. There you go, separate. Once you remove all these, we're gonna end up removing the front bumper cover to get access to the actual brackets here holding the radiator in place. We're gonna take those off. 2 bolts here holding the radiator in place, take those off. You see the rubber grommet for the radiator falls off. When you take the radiator off, make sure you put this one back in. When the radiator comes out, it comes out like this with the fan shroud. You're going to disconnect the lower hose, the upper hose. There's a bolt here holding the AC lines, the fan connector, transmission cooler lines. This is where the upper bracket goes. You're going to remove those and the radiator comes off. When you get a new radiator, you're going to transfer the fan onto it. To do that, we're going to need to remove only 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter right there. The fan will slide up from the slider. Add it to the new radiator, slide it down, lock it in place, put the bolt back in, check to make sure that transmission cooler lines are fixed. If they're not, you might have to transfer these over there, and then install your new radiator back in. There we go, we got the shroud out. We're gonna put into the new radiator. So you're just gonna line this up right here, line the other side up, and slide it down. Perfect. You can see the bolts lining up. How it looks when you transfer your radiator and bolt it down. Now we're going to go ahead and install it. When you install it, make sure you do not damage the fins of your condenser. So you have to slide it in nice and gentle. Guide this. This is not bolted, it's also mounted with slides. You see that? They're back of the radiator. So you're going to slide this back in, lock it in place, install your radiator, bolt it down with the flanges, connect your radiator hoses, you're all set. Here we go, I just got the bumper put back together. There's one screw holding the bumper here. You have a whole bunch of clips down here holding the bumper. The original clips were broken, I guess. They didn't put them back in, so I installed new clips here. You have 10 millimeter bolts under here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holding the bumper together. On this side, you can see that the customer was driving the car without this being secured. So I added here to secure this fender liner. Fender liner needs to be replaced. The lower shield cannot be installed. Most of it is ripped out. It's in pretty bad shape. And then the bumper comes up here. This little panel on top is what's securing top of the bumper. That's it. The bumper from the top is not mounted anywhere. You put this back together, put your plastic clips, put the clip here and here, put the ducts back in, connect your battery. I just have the car running right now. Make sure you add the right type of coolant in here. Now I'm just gonna wait for the car to warm up, thermostat to open, allow the coolant to flow through the engine and radiator. And then once it closes, I'll turn the car back off, check the coolant level again, add what is needed. This should conclude the radiator install on this car. It is doable. I'm just gonna wait for this to take a cycle. I don't see any leak right here. Car is running quietly. I really want to thank you everybody for watching. Hopefully this video has helped you to understand what it takes to remove the radiator on your Kia Sorento. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Take care. Have an awesome day.